Action.
Hi!
Hi. What's going on? What's up, Chef Brahmsy? What's up, Chef Nick?
Hi!
What's going on today, guys? What's in the menu? What's for the menu?
Today we have special. Today's the mutton special day.
Okay.
Today
Wow.
we have mutton
What's
brain.
that? Is that a brain? What? Is that a brain?
That's a big
What? What? That is a brain? Where'd you get that?
It's from the place called Meat Shop.
Okay, you got it at the meat shop. It's a place called, alright, whatever. Okay, so that, I've never seen a brain before. So which brain is that? Is that your brain?
No,
That looks
mutton.
tiny enough for yours.
This is, I told you, it's a
This
mutton
is
special.
goat brain.
So
It's
it's
a
a
mutton
goat brain.
special
Oh,
today.
okay, it's a
Goat
goat
brain.
brain.
It's a mutton special today. So we
Mutton
have-
special. So is that the only thing you got for mutton? What
No,
else
we
you got?
have goat brain and we have mutton keema.
Oh, mutton keema. Is that the same as mutton mince?
Yeah, it's basically like chopped up mutton.
All right. So well, today is all
It's-
about
and
food.
it's
What's going on here? So you guys have already started cooking.
Yeah, we cut a few onions.
What are the ingredients? What do we need to make all this?
So we need onions,
Okay.
garlic, and tomato.
What about ginger? You're gonna use some ginger too?
Yeah, we're gonna also use some ginger.
Okay. All right.
beans,
Oh, you got
and you
green
need
beans. All right. No.
coriander
All right.
paste.
Okay. Cool. Great. All right. Oh, and you got your masala
Kids
ready.
don't do this at home. This
Okay, great. And you already started cooking. So we're gonna check back with you in sometime, see how you're doing. Yeah.
is- Okay.
Okay. Cool.